Assalamu alaikum Moroccan family. Today we are making amazing crispy onion pakoras, perfectly spiced, golden and crunchy, whether it's a rainy day, a cozy tea time or a family get together. These pakoras are the perfect snack to bring everyone together. So grab your ingredients and let's dive into this delicious recipe. Start by taking 2 cups of sliced onions in a mixing bowl. Add 1/4 cup of freshly chopped mint leaves. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger paste and 2 to 3 chopped green chilies, adjust to taste. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix well and gently squeeze the onions to help release their moisture. Quick reminder, if you have not subscribed to Moroccan Kitchen yet, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for future updates. Set the mixture aside for 5 minutes. Then add 1.5 cups of besan, half teaspoon of garam masala and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix well to combine all the ingredients. Gradually sprinkle water as needed and mix again to form a thick batter. Let it rest for at least 10 minutes. Heat oil over medium flame and drop small portions of the batter into the oil. Fry while flipping occasionally until golden brown and crispy. Once done, remove and place them on a kitchen tissue to absorb excess oil. Your amazing crispy pakoras are ready. To enjoy their crunchiness, serve hot immediately with your favorite sauce or try our homemade coriander sauce recipe. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and spread the love with your friends and family. Happy cooking and see you next time.